Welcome to your beginner's guide to digital marketing, the key to growing your brand online. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, digital marketing can help you reach your goals. Digital marketing is any form of marketing done through the internet or digital devices. It encompasses a wide range of strategies and techniques that can help you connect with your target audience in a more effective and efficient way. It covers everything from social media to email, from search engines to online advertising. Essentially, it's how businesses connect with their audience online. Each of these channels offers unique opportunities to engage with potential customers and drive traffic to your website. Search engines, for example, are a powerful tool for driving organic traffic to your site. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can improve your visibility and attract more visitors. Online advertising, on the other hand, allows you to target specific demographics and reach a wider audience. Why is digital marketing essential? It helps businesses reach wider audiences, track results in real time, and build stronger relationships with customers. With the right strategies in place, you can create a loyal customer base and increase your revenue. It helps businesses reach wider audiences, track results in real time, and build stronger relationships with customers. By leveraging data and analytics, you can gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences, allowing you to tailor your marketing efforts to better meet their needs and build stronger relationships with customers. Engaging with your audience through social media, email, and other digital channels can help you build trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term success. With billions of people online, digital marketing offers incredible potential for success. The internet has made it easier than ever to reach a global audience, and with the right strategies, you can tap into this vast market and grow your business. Let's break down some key strategies for online success. Understanding these strategies and how to implement them can make a significant difference in your digital marketing efforts. First up, SEO, or search engine optimization, helps you rank higher on Google. By optimizing your website's content and structure, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Then, social media marketing connects you directly with your audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to engage with your followers, share content, and promote your products or services. PPC ads get your business seen fast. Pay-per-click advertising allows you to bid on keywords and display ads to users who are searching for those terms. This can drive immediate traffic to your site and generate leads quickly, while email marketing is perfect for nurturing customer relationships. By sending targeted emails to your subscribers, you can keep them informed about your latest products, promotions, and updates. All these strategies work together to build a strong online presence. By combining SEO, social media marketing, PPC, and email marketing, you can create a comprehensive digital marketing plan that drives traffic, generates leads, and increases sales. Starting as a beginner may seem overwhelming, but the key is to start small. Build a website, create social media profiles, and begin experimenting with content. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for your business, and begin experimenting with content. Creating high-quality, engaging content is essential for attracting and retaining your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, make sure your content is valuable and relevant to your audience. Tools like Google Analytics can help track your progress and improve over time. By monitoring your website's performance and analyzing your data, you can make informed decisions and optimize your digital marketing efforts. Digital marketing is your gateway to online success. With the right strategies and tools, you can reach your target audience, build strong relationships, and grow your business. Start today and watch your business grow. The sooner you begin implementing digital marketing strategies, the sooner you'll see results. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on mastering digital marketing. Stay tuned for more in-depth guides and tutorials to help you navigate the world of digital marketing.